text? Yeah, please confirm me. My screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ji, thank you. So in the last class, we covered the Surya Bhedan Kumbhaka, Ujjayi Kumbhaka, Sitakari Kumbhaka and Sitali. 4 Kumbhakas we covered in the previous class. Okay. And today it is very important it is. Because in many Upanishad, Bhastrika as equal to same as which is here. Your Kundli Upanishad, same Bhastrika method, same benefits. Okay. So understand it. Automatic Upanishad syllabus is covering with this book because it is connected with 20 more books. If you understand Hathapradipika deeply, 20 books also you will understand within a single day because it is the theme of the other text. It is the base foundation. That's why we are giving too much time on Hathapradipika. Yeah, in sloka number 59, Urvorupari sanstapaya subhe padatale ubhe. So before starting this sloka, I'm asking to a question. Have you noticed that we have covered the 4 Kumbhakas? Swatamaramji is recommended any asana or not? Yes or no? And which kind of asanas he recommended?
Sir, Swatmanama is not any asana. Only he said choice any comfortable asana as your wish.
Excellent. This point to be noted. It's very important. But here, in the case of Bhastrika Pranayam, he is highlighting Padmasana. In the other Kumbhaka, he is not specifying any asanas here because it's most important Kumbhaka it is. That's why. Here, asana situation also, sitting situation also, body posture also he is defining as like asanas. Okay, today we'll understand it. Urvo rupari sanstapaya, subhe padatale ubhe. So same means left leg on the right thigh, right leg on the left thigh. Urvo rupari, that we call the Padmasanam. Padmasanam bhavetet sarva pap prana. Again he is defining same benefit of the Bhastrika Kumbhaka. Sorry, Padmasana. So if you follow the Padmasana, then sarva papa pranasanam, all kinds of sins will destroy, all the bad karmas will destroy if you follow the Padmasana. Now good thing is that Bhastrika Pranayam you will do in the posture of the Padmasana. It is important here. In the next sloka, he is highlighting here, Samyak Padmas. Again, he is repeating his word. Samyak meaning properly. Padmasanam, properly. Badhva meaning properly fix your body in the Padmasana. And he is telling some grivo. Some meaning straight. Grivo, neck udar hai and pet. Neck and stomach should be straight. It meaning back neck straight. Then it will be in the single line. If you sit in the hunch step, then your stomach will back side and neck will for front side. So it will be the wrong posture, no? So here he is telling, no, your neck and back should be straight. Your neck and your abdomen should be in the straight line. And sit in the Padmasana posture. So here is your head region. In this posture, you will do practice of the Bhastrika Pranayama. Yes, please, one of you revise it. Which posture we should do the Bhastrika Kumbhaka
Padmasana.
and other?
Keeping the neck and abdomen in a line.
Excellent. And this thing also, please remember 2 things. Because one time in the exam, he asked according to Bhagavad Gita. This question he asked. Yeah, that question was as like that according to Bhagavad Gita, body posture body alignment sequence should be. You will see in the chapter number 6, there is also the head, neck, and the stomach. Please confirm me, I'm not sure 100%. As like that sequence is there. So sitting in a sukhasana, comfortable posture, and your head, neck, stomach straight, and then follow the meditation. It is
Yes,
described in the chapter number 6 in Bhagavad Gita. So
sometimes sir.
yeah, this question has been asked in UGC. So this can also ask. Okay, Grivo udhar hai. Two things here. Next is telling Mukham Sayyam. Same as like Ujjai Kumbhaka. He told na, no any kinds of mouth movement. Mouth should be properly closed. Yatnena you should do. Pranam Granena Rechayet. Yes, here is the right method. Before startingly you have to exhale. So it is the big doubt na, that starting we should inhale or exhale. So here your doubt will be clear. So what he is telling, pranam granena rechayet. It meaning granena, through your nostrils. Rechayet, you should exhale. You should expel your breaths out. Exhale, okay? So first exhale, and after that you have to do the practice. Now on auto understood, then now you have exhale. So auto understood, next step is should be inhale. Next is telling yatha kapala vachvanam, meaning that air, that prana, that wind which we are exhaling. Exhale we have, here is inhaling. Here is exhaling yathalakti. It meaning the air should be lakti, touch on the area of the heart region and meaning cranium region. So if we understood through picture, so it is Bhastrika. Okay, so he's telling here, sorry, Hriday, Kant, and the Kapal, below to up, Hriday region, throat region, and Kapal region as like. So exhale, he is telling about the exhalation in this sequence, meaning that air should be touched like this, here to here, this sequence. Okay, which we exhaled. Sorry, I told you inhale. Here is exhale. Inhale start from this line. Then after the exhalation, then vegena, forcefully and fastly. Vegena, fastly. Purayeta, you should inhale. And Hirta Padmavadhi, it meaning that air which you are taking, that should be touch your heart region. Hirta Padmavati Marutam, in the posture of Hirda Padmam. So Hirda Granthi, it is Hirda Chakra, heart chakra, it meaning Hirda Padmam. And I think they are also telling same. So again the air should be quickly inhaled up to the heart region, heart lotus, yes. Hirda Granthi, heart lotus, Hirda Chakra. Again I am concluding. First fix the Padmasana. Then your stomach and neck straight. Then properly close your mouth. After that, exhale. And that exhalation should be your heart, then throat, and then cranium. 3 areas should be covered, which you are exhaling. That air should be touched in these 3 areas, heart, throat, and the cranium head region. After the exhalation, now next step is inhalation. He's telling again, fastly inhale, and that breath should be touch your heart lotus. heart lotus here. It meaning full respiration you have to do. Then you will feel that air is touching your heart lotus. Yes, please, one of you, please conclude the method of the Bhastrika Pranayam. Now, method is not complete. Next 3-4 sloka or we will study. Otherwise, you will confuse. Please repeat again. What is the method
I'll
of
try, sir.
Bhastrika covered here? Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Sloka 59 mentions about Bhastrika. So in previous pranayam kumbhakas, he didn't mention about any particular posture, but here he is saying Padmasana, and this is also the most important kumbhaka, sir. So sitting in Padmasana, right leg on the left, left on the right thigh. Again, Padmasana importance he mentions here, sir. He is saying it is the asana which destroys all the bad karma or sins. Then he is saying Padmasana also Samyak Padmasana means sit properly where your neck, abdomen and back is in a straight line, Samagrivo. Then you start the pranayama with the exhalation where you throw the prana out through nose and mouth should be properly closed. So I usually or ideally start with an exhalation. Then what you do? The exhalation, when it is happening, it should touch the heart, Kamal, then the throat and the kapala or cranium. Inhalation also has to be done in the same way, fastly. And we have to do full respiration, sir, complete respiration.
One mistake you did, ma'am. One mistake you did.
Which one, sir?
Inhalation process. You told the same way. Please
No, sir,
note
it
this
is not
point.
like. Acha.
Exhalation 3 points: heart, throat, and cranium. Inhalation only heart is here. Are you getting?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
These kinds
Okay.
of questions come in the exam. Okay, be carefully. Okay.
Sir, okay, sir. Inhalation only heart, exhalation touching all the three.
Yes. That's
Okay.
why I repeated. I'm
Okay.
sure now also many students will do mistake.
Thank you, sir.
Your eyes should be as like eagle bird. Everything note properly. What is occurring here? Okay, in the next sloka, in the sloka number 62, here he's telling Pune virechiyet. Virechiyet meaning again, Pune meaning again, virechiyet meaning exhale. Then again tat purayet. Then again inhale, Pune. It means continue, follow that exhalation and the inhalation circle. And that focus will be same in the exhalation heart, throat and the cranium, and the inhalation heart lotus. That circle should be that intention you have to be focused, attention you have to be in your body, and same repeat it fastly. And then he's telling yathaiva loha karena bhastra vegena chalate. Lohar we call the blacksmith. Do you know the blacksmith, how he work? So blacksmith, it is the bhatti we called, which every time fire inside this bhatti, and he keep the iron or any metals for the melt inside because inside temperature is too much because all time fire inside, and because to increase the intensity of the fire, what he do again and again, he in and out a road formed mostly the metal, again and again in and out. So that sound as like the blacksmith who is doing during his work, that kind of sound will exactly produce through this practice. That's why it's we are comparing with the blacksmith. So that's why its name is the Bhastrika Pranayam. That kind of Bhastra Vegena Chalet. Bhastra meaning that instrument which blacksmith is using to increase the intensity of the fire in the fire bhatti. Sorry, I don't know what we call bhatti in English. Okay. So that's why its name is Bhastrika Pranayama. Okay. And now method is not over. Now it is also. Then Tathaiva Sav Chalayet Pavanam Dhiya. Continue. Continue. It means the Pavanam. Meaning you have to flow the prana in the full body. Continue, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, you are performing. And then how long we have to do? How long? So here is they mentioned how long you have to do. He's telling Yatha Sramo Bhavet Dehe. Dehe meaning your body, your physical body. Sramo meaning that feeling tiredness, fatigue. If you are feeling tiredness after the practice, then, and it may be after 1 minute, it may be 10 minutes, it may be half an hour, depend on your practice, your stamina. It vary person to person how you will tire with the inhalation, exhalation. Okay. Okay, now person continue, he is doing inhalation and exhalation. Now he is feeling tiredness. Then what he had to do? Then Tatha Suryena Purayet. When you are feeling tiredness, then Purayet, you have to exhale. Sorry, Purayet meaning inhale. Inhale through Surya Nadi. It means right nostril. Which nostril? Yes, please.
Right, sir.
Right nostril. Please, I am repeating again. Continue. He is practicing. Now he is feeling tiredness. It may be according to depend on the person when he will tired. Okay, he is feeling tiredness. Then he is inhaling through the right nostril. This is the sequence. And after that inhalation, he is telling Yatho Udram Bhaveta Purnam. That air you have to feel in your stomach. Where you have to feel? Stomach.
Stomach, sir.
This is important here, okay? In your stomach, you should to feel the air. Then Purnam Anilena. Purnam Anilena Tatha Laghu. Laghu meaning always we consider Laghu meaning short time. Okay? Purnam
Sir,
Anilena.
Lagu
And
means light also, no, sir?
light
Lagu
we
means-
call Laghu. But here Laghu Dharyet. So here we will say Laghu meaning slowly you have to exhale. And how they are explaining? Accordingly, when the abdomen becomes full of air, then quickly hold the nostrils, okay, without using the index and the middle fingers. Yathodram bhavet purnam anilena tatha laghu dharayet nasikam madhya tarjanibhyam bina dhridam. Okay, it is clear that which finger you cannot use. That is madhya finger meaning middle finger and tarjani meaning ring finger. That fingers without touching that fingers on your nostril region. Okay, now you can assume that two fingers are you are not using. So if any human who has 5 fingers, so these two middle finger he cannot use, and ring finger also he cannot use. So now thumb.
Index finger, Bhaiya.
Index.
Index finger. Index and ring he cannot use.
Sorry. I did mistake. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Index
Ring finger and thumb.
tarjani meaning index finger and ring finger. So these two fingers will be down, and these two last two fingers and thumb will be open. It means a thumb will be on the one nostril and other two fingers on the another nostril, as like this. We also called do many times during the Nadi Sodhan Pranayama. This mudra we practice. Maybe you notice in the class or not. That same mudra he is telling here. So he's telling lagu dharayeta nasikam. Let me confirm again. Just give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yes, sigrita se. Okay. But why lagu here? Lagu meaning lightness or the slowly. But in Kevaladhama also they are telling the fastly, quickly. Okay. Okay. So follow is same. Okay. So again I'm telling, now he feel tiredness, then he inhale through the right nostril, and that air you have to feel in your stomach. Okay. And after that, then fastly you have to close your nose. Dharyeta nasikam. Fastly close and without using the middle and the index finger. In that posture, you have to close your nostrils. And after
So it
closing,
is mentioning Kumbhaga.
yeah, it is Kumbhaka, madam. Okay.
Okay.
So here next is telling how you have to exhale. Vidhivat Kumbhakam Kritva. Okay, Vidhivat meaning properly, as like above sloka mentioned the method in which posture, which fingers using, you have to hold the breath. After following that, Vidhivat Kumbhakam Kritva, then Rechiyet Idayanilam, you have to exhale through the left nostril. It is the complete method. In the next line, the benefit will start. So please let's revise again. What is the method of the Bhastrika Pranayam? Again, I'm telling first Padmasan. Okay, stomach and neck straight, mukh straight, then exhale. That exhalation should be touch your heart, throat, and cranium region. Then for fastly inhale and inhale, feel that air till your heart chakra. Then again exhale, inhale, and fast do that inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue. He is doing. Now he is feeling tiredness after few minutes. Then after feeling tiredness, how he have to hold or he have to stop this practice? Then first inhale through the right nostril, and that breath fill your stomach full. Okay, and forcefully at this period when breath is inside, respiration is inside, then close your nose without using the uh, index and the middle finger. Okay, then properly you are holding as much as your capacity, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, as your choice. Then now okay, kumbhak is over. Now exhale through the left nostril. It is the proper method of the Bhastrika Kumbhaka. I would like to you, one of you, please fastly revise the method of
Bhaiya,
the Kumbhaka.
just a question over here. I mean, after Bhastrika is done, we have to do one avartan of Surya Vedan. It looks like that. Inhale through
No, it is a
right.
part of the Bhastrika.
Yeah, but inhale through left and exhale through right is Surya Vedan only, no? I mean,
Yes. You for your understanding, you can
yes, for
understand
our
that here
understanding, yeah.
that inhalation through right nostril and now hold exhale through the left nostril. It is including in the Bhastrika Pranayama method. It is the
Yes.
right step to end the Bhastrika Pranayama. In generally, what we learned by our gurus. Oh, take the forcefully inhale, exhale. It is the Bhastrika. No, it is not Bhastrika. Now today maybe you got first time this method, authentic method of the Bhastrika Pranayam. Who got first time this method? Or do you know about these kinds of method of the Bhastrika Pranayam? Yes, please.
I am hearing first time, sir.
First time, but it
I
is
am
right.
also.
Yes, one of you, please, again, within 1 minute, without taking note time, within 1 minute, who can revise the method of the Bhastrika, because it is most important.
Okay. So first of all, you have to attain the Padma Asana for Bhastrika, and your neck, your abdominal should be one line when you are sitting in Padma Asana. Then exhale air from the nose, and after it, practice starts. While exhaling, air should be passed through the area of heart, throat, and head, cranium region. And while inhaling, it should touch the heart. And this way, inhale and exhale repeatedly, we have to do again and again. And the sound is produced in this practice like a blacksmith. Then when a person feel tired, then he should exhale through the right nostril. Means here we attain the Surya Vedan. Exhale from the right nostril. Sorry, inhale from the right nostril and hold, and then exhale from the left nostril. After attaining the
Excellent.
Kumbhaka, and Kumbhaka,
Without using your index and middle finger.
index and
Okay,
middle finger. Yes.
nice. Now,
Sir?
benefit is here. Yes,
Is it about the sound also in shlokas?
sound. As
Yeah.
like blacksmith bellows is telling, no? That sound, okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. So
Yes,
inhale
ma'am.
through right nostril, hold as long as possible, sir, and then exhale through the left. Am I getting it right,
Yes,
sir?
yes, you are right.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, madam. Okay. Okay, next now benefit is also most important. It is so Vata, Pitta, Slesma, Haram. So all three kinds of dosas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, all disease it will help. And Sarira Agni Vivardhanam. Sarira Agni meaning body, we have 13 kinds of fires. So that will stimulate. Okay, body fires will activate. And next he's telling, this question many time UGC has asked, that which kumbhaka helps to activate the kundalini, that is the Bhastrika kumbhaka. The kundalini bodhakam chipram meaning fastly, quickly. Bodhakam meaning activate. Kundalini will activate quickly through this practice, and this practice is the Bhastrika kumbhaka. Pavanam sukhdam hitam. Okay, you feel the pleasant. Then Brahmanadi Mukhe Sanstha Kafad Argalanasanam. So he's telling Brahmanadi. Brahmanadi meaning Susmana Nadi. So if I draw the picture of the Susmana Nadi, so here, can you see this diagram which I am making on the screen, right side? Okay. So it is the base. Are you getting which I am drawing here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So it is the entrance, downside, lower area of the Susmana Nadi, and it opens in the head region. Also, understand it is the head. Okay. So it is the head and it is the lower region. So the lower region, first Kundalini mouth is here, and instead of Kundalini, the other impurities also here, which is blocking the way. And because of that impurities, the prana is not not able to enter in the Susmana. It is blocked by two things. First by the Kundalini, and second by the impurities. So here he first is telling it will activate your Kundalini. Okay, Kundalini obstacle over. Kundalini activated. Now next obstacle is the impurity. He's telling Kafadi Argalanasanam. It meaning kaf, it's extra, that other impurities which are blocking the door of the Susmana Nadi, that will also cure. It will remove all obstacles because of the mucus like that impurity, so which is blocking the entrance of the Sushumna Nadi. So it is also the another benefit of the Bhastrika Kumbhak. Many times this questions has been asked. Please mute yourself. Which- Now next loka he's telling Samyak Gatra Samudbut Granthi Traya Vibhedakam. This question many times UGC has asked that which Kumbhaka eyes activate the three Granthi, three glands. So according to Hatha Yoga, we have three glands. First Brahma Granthi, second Vishnu Granthi, and third is the Rudra Granthi. Please repeat the Granthi.
Brahma Granthi, Vishnu. Yes. Go ahead, Lipali.
Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, Rudra Granthi.
Okay, and many commenters they are telling Brahm Granthi that place, Vishnu Granthi that place, Rudra that place. In Upanishad also you will see many way. Rudra is at the throat region, Vishnu as the heart region, Brahma at the Muladhar location. But few are and many commentary you will see the different locations. But Granthis are the same. Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, Rudra, and this is the sequence. Downside Brahma, then Vishnu, and then the Rudra. Okay. Here in Seta also you will see. In the
I think,
Nadi Sodhi when you will see.
sir, I think after every 2 chakras, this Granthi will be there, sir. I heard it somewhere.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it activate Vibhedakam means it will cross the Granthi. It means when Kundalini will cross or Prana will cross the Granthi, because Granthi mainly these are the obstacles in the Sushumna Nadi. That's why they be called it is the Granthi, it is the gland. They are the main obstacles. Okay, when Kundalini is awakening and now Kundalini is entering in the Sushumna Nadi, now first obstacle is the it will then next obstacle is
Brahma
Vishnu
Granthi.
Granthi. Now it is raising up. Next Granthi is the Rudra Granthi. After that, it will reach to the Sahasrara Chakra. So it is the right steps to reaching the highest state. Okay, and that is we call the Raj Yoga state. If Kundali is crossing the Rudra Granthi and reaching the that Sivasthana that we call the Raj Yoga or Samadhi we called. Then he's telling Visheshanaiva Kartavyam. So Visheshanaiva, especially we should do properly. Bhastrakhyam, we called it is Bhastrika Kumbhaka. So its name is the Bhastrika Kumbhaka. With this sloka, Bhastrika Kumbhak benefits are completed. Now I would request to you, please one of you conclude the benefits of the
May
Bhastrika
I,
Kumbhaka.
Bhaiya? May I?
Yes, Vrisali ma'am. Yeah.
According to Swatma Ramji, while explaining benefits of Bhastrika Kumbhak, he said it balances three dosha, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha dosha, as well as uh, it increases Shariragni, that is the digestive fire. After that, this practicing this Bhastrika Kumbhaka, it arouses Kundalini, and it also removes the obstruction caused at the entrance of the Brahmaganti, that is the cough accumulated at the Brahmaganti. Then after that, it also this practicing this Kumbhaka, three granthis, it breaks three granthis, which are the Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra. And that's why it is a duty. I mean, it is suggested that that's why it is a duty for any yogi to practice Bhastrika to gain its benefits.
Excellent, ma'am. Hope you all have understand the method and the benefits of the Bhastrika. Okay. Next is the Bhramri. It's also important Kumbhaka, Bhramri. And you will surprise to read the method of the Bhramri in the Hathapradipika. How we do in our daily life and how mentioned here. Let's see. Here he is telling Vegate Ghosam. Vegate meaning fastly. Ghosam meaning with sound. With sound. Ghosam. Okay. Purakam. Inhale. Bringanadam. Here you will see the bring and the bringi. Okay. Bringi we called the bee. What we called bringi?
Female bee, honey bee.
Female bee. Queen also we can say. Okay. And in the same, sorry, what we called same prajati, same sect. Okay. That same bee which is male, that we call the bringer. Yes, please let me know what is bringer and what is bringi.
Bringi is female bee and a bringer is male bee. Bhavara, I guess.
And in the same case in humans also. If I ask you if any female is talking and if male is talking, which major difference you will see in the voice? Can you assume? You notice something?
Male is,
Base.
yeah, male is little hoarse, sir. Female will be little soft.
Yes, female sound is little soft, polite. Female and males, they are that something danger sound. I'm also, but my sound now divided, it's going down. But generally, male sound is little higher. Okay, so same here also. He is telling Purakam Bringanadam. How male bee is producing sound, as like that sound we have to be produced during the inhalation. Okay, and next he's telling Bringinadam, Rechakam Mandamandam. Mandamandam meaning slowly, politely. Female told na, female speak slowly, politely. Same here, he's telling. So bring, inhale forcefully with more sound, Ghosnam, and exhale Rechakam. Mandamanda meaning slowly, as like the female bee. Bringinadam. Okay. Next he's telling Yogindranam Mev. It meaning who is the good, we call na Yogindra, meaning who is practice of the Bhramri. He is Yogindra, he is telling here. Evam Bhyasa Yogena, who is practicing like this. Then Chitte Jata Kachidananda Leela, as like Savasan. Kachidananda Leela. It means that he will feel the bliss, delight, so happy, peace. Kachidananda Leela. And in yogic word, if we I say that Anandame Kosa, you can say correlate that that kind of happiness yogi feel in his chitta. Chitta meaning his mind. Okay. If who is following the Bhramri Kumbhaka like this. Yeah, one of you please conclude the method and the benefit of the Bhramri. Come on.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Vegad Ghosham means little forceful inhalation, sir, or little, what does that mean, sir?
Ghosam meaning sound. Oh, king is coming. All activate. Prime Minister is coming. Attention. That is Ghosam. Are you understanding?
Mm-hmm. So
Someone is
the
coming. Ghosam
inhalation,
with sound.
sir, inhalation with sound, how can we do, sir? Little difficult, no?
Yes, it is the main thing, na, and we are not doing. But
Yeah,
Swarnarand
when you
like this.
inhale, yes, when you inhale forcefully, then only you can make, produce male sound of bee. If you
Okay,
do it slowly, it will be female only.
because we are not doing, our teachers, they told only close your eyes, keep your fingers on your head region or the ear region, and keep your fingers on the head region or the eye region, anywhere, and exhale, and like only we learned that method. Okay.
Sir means while inhaling, while exhaling, in both cases we are taking out sound.
No, sound in both cases, inhalation as like the male bee, exhalation as like the female bee. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
one of you please revise it.
Okay. So fast breathing, fast inhalation with sound like a male bee, then exhalation slowly like a female bee. Then whoever the yogi practice this way, he feel like a bliss or like shavasana, relaxed.
चित्ते जाता काचिदानंद लीला आनंद में कोसा full bless, fully peace of mind. Okay, yeah, nice. Next kumbhaka. Next is the murcha kumbhaka. Murcha we understand as like the swooning. Swooning meaning unconsciousness. Unconsciousness, okay? So he is telling Purakante Gadhataram Badva Jalandharam Snehi Rechiyene Murchaya Kheyam Mano Murcha Sukprada. So it is the Murcha Kheyam that we called the Murcha Kumbhaka. So how we have to do? Purakante. Purakante. It meaning after the inhalation, the end of the inhalation, then Gadhataram forcefully. Badwa, you have to do what? Jalandharam Snehi. Then slowly and but firmly do the Jalandhar Bandh after the completing the Purak, after completing the inhalation. And so here point is that generally we exhale after disclosing the bandha. Am I right or wrong? Yes, please. If
Yes,
you
sir.
also practice, generally first we uh, that disclose our bandhas, then we exhale. First we straight our neck and then we tell slowly exhale in general practice. But
Yes.
here is not like that. Here is different. You are already in the Jalandhar Bandha state. In that same state, then Rech again, you have to exhale. What I told, please repeat.
Is
In the
staying in the Jalandhar Bandha, we have to exhale slowly, sir. Is that
Yes,
what? Okay. Okay,
it's
sir.
really so challenging. Already we have completely blocked our throat region, and the same, how can we exhale? So it is a big challenge. And that practice we call the Murchaya Kheyam, Murcha Kumbhaka. And if you follow that practice, then what happen? Mano Murcha Sukh Prada. Mano Murcha is where your mind, you will feel swooning. Swooning. Unconscious, you will feel. And Sukh Prada, you will feel happiness and peace and pleasure. So it is the benefit of the Murcha Kumbhaka. Yes, please conclude it. The benefit, a method and the benefit of the Murcha Kumbhaka.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Means in Kumbhaka, before attending this Murcha Kumbhaka, we have to do Jalandhara Bandha.
Arey, read this line. Yes, read it.
At the end of inhalation, gradually became fixed on Jalandhara Bandha. Okay, then exhale slowly. This is called the fainting to soning pranayama. as it makes the mind inactive and thus confirms pleasure.
Understood?
Sir,
Okay. Means
Yes.
at the
Hmm.
yes,
What is
sir.
your doubt?
At the end of means at the end of inhalation, gradually we can fix Jalandhara Bandha. Yes, got it, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
sir,
you.
when we are exhaling, which means that we are leaving Jalandhar Bandh, no?
No, no. If we are living, then how we will feel fainting or unconsciousness? It is the challenge na in this pranayam. Okay, in the Jalandhar Bandha state, already we have block, but we have to exhale. That's why we feel unconsciousness, na? Because we are doing just completely opposite to the nature. Wage block, and we are trying to make it open, and it will not open. That's why you will feel fainting, na? Unconscious. If it open, then easily it exhale. Then how you will feel fainting? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. So basically, we won't be able to exhale. That's why we will be feeling fainted, right?
Yeah. It is common understood in the Jalandhar Bandha. It is not possible to do exhale. If you properly you did it. Yeah, if something is mistake or something other thing, then you are able to exhale in the Jalandhar. Otherwise, not possible because automatically that the respiration will be blocked because of that now outside inhale is no cannot enter in your body and inside air cannot out your body. So that's why we called it the Murcha Kumbhaka. It is also called the fainting or swooning pranayam. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today time is done. Last sloka we will cover. Okay, atha Plavaka Palavani. Okay, Palavani, we understand that swimming, with swimming, we understand it is. He's telling, Antah Pravartito Udara Maruta. How many have seen that the human can swim on the water? Have you seen anyone like this?
Floating, sir,
Yes,
floating.
sir.
Yeah, floating. Their legs may be closed, legs may be in savasana. Anyway, he can. But have you seen these kinds of incident?
No, sir.
You
Sir,
can
I
do.
have just seen person sitting in Padmasana on water.
Padmasana is little difficult, but directly in savasana is very easy to float on the water. You can also do by practice. And how we have to do this method is here. Antah parito udra, it meaning in the stomach. We will fill our stomach with the marutha air, with the air. So in this here in his chest region, his abdomen region, it is full of air. And what in the case of physics, what happened? Because inside it is full of air, so automatically the volume of the body will reduce, and we are expanding our hands and legs, so it is covering more surface area and all the parts the weight is going equally. That's why body float, it will not entering in the water. So it is the physics behind it. If you feel the air in your abdomen region and lose your body as like the dead body, so you will not what we call dubna, you will not dig in the water. Okay, he's telling pest gadhe api, it meaning gadhe api meaning the deep water, thousands and hundreds of feet also, it doesn't matter, but you will you will float, sorry, what we called float, sorry, you will float on the water. Sukhat, as like he's giving example here, Sukhat palvate padma patram. Palvate meaning the leaf, leaf of the Padma Patram, the lotus leaf. Have you seen the lotus in the pond? His leaves are so bigger as like this, and lotus is as like he is giving example. The leaves of the lotus always float on the water. As like same, the yoga practitioners who is practicing this kumbhaka, he will also float on the water. It doesn't matter that water is how it is गहरा को क्या बोलेंगे, how it is sorry
Deep, sir.
deep water, how it is deep, 10 feet, 20 feet, 50 feet, doesn't matter, he will float on the water. Okay, so it is the Plavani Kumbhaka. One of you please revise it, the method, it and benefit.
So the inner part of the abdomen is completely filled with Maruta or air, sir. And then they will adopt that whatever position you have shown, sir. Then that will help to cover more surface area. Then they can float like a lotus leaf in water. And however deep that place is, they will not submerge or dip into the water, sir.
Excellent, ma'am. Excellent. Nice, ma'am. Okay, let's revise today full class. 4 Kumbhakas we covered. Okay, yeah. First, we covered the Bhastrika Kumbhaka. Yes, Sarika ma'am, please come and explain the method of the Bhastrika Kumbhaka.
Yeah, Bhastrika Kumbhaka, we have seen that we have to do the Padmasana first, and sitting in Padmasana, placing the both soles of the feet on thighs. So it says that it destroys all the benefit of Padmasana is also mentioned, like it is destroying all the diseases. Then we have seen Samyak Padmasana Badhva. You have to keep your Samagriva, keeping your neck and Udara in single line, which means to sit straight. And with a closed mouth, Mukham Samyak, you have to close the mouth and Pranam Khanena Reje. Through the nostril, first we have to exhale. So sitting in Padmasana, keeping neck, abdomen in alignment, exhale through the nostril. So then next step is inhale. Vegena Puret. So inhale fastly, and while inhaling, you have to, the air should inhale by touching the air on the heart. So, yeah.
Next.
Then continue inhale and exhale.
After?
Continue inhale and exhale faster by making the sound of the blacksmith, bellows of the blacksmith, until one feels tired. So when tired, he has to inhale from the right nostril, do Kumbhaka, and then once how much ever time one can hold, they can hold the Kumbhaka and exhale from the left.
And Kumbhaka, which finger he had to use?
Yeah, we have to use the Nasika Mudra. We should not. We should be using the thumb and the last 2 fingers.
Okay, nice, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, Karthika sir, please come and explain the benefits of the Bhastrika Pranayama. Yes, Karthik ji, please explain the benefits of the Bhastrika.
Bhastrika Pranayama helps to awaken the Kundalini, and it is a Gantritra Trivedaka, and also it increases the gastric fire.
2 you missed, 2 things you missed.
Helps to awaken the Kundalini and Tridosha balance karte ho. Next, Gantritra Trivedaka and Jataragni activation.
Okay, one thing also you missed.
What I missed, Ruchi?
Yes, others please cover. Yes, anyone, please cover that one missing thing.
Remove the
Obstruction to
kapha
Brahmanadi, sir. Brahmanadi obstruction is removed, sir.
Yes, that
Gantritra
obstacle.
Trivedaka.
That is another method, another benefit, sir.
Okay,
The
okay.
special highlighted, he is highlighting Kafadi Argal Nasanam. That impurities, that blockage also it will open. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Nice. And this question has been asked many times in UGC. Same questions. Which Kumbhaka removes the obstacles of the Sushmana Nadi? That is the Bhastrika Kumbhaka. Okay. Okay. Next Kumbhaka, I'm asking to the Rajeshwari ma'am. Yes, and no one is opening the camera. Why today? Yes, Rajeshwari ma'am. Please explain the next Kumbhaka.
You mean Bhramri, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So, Bhramri, you have to inhale forcefully like Bringa. That means the male bee. And exhale very softly and slowly like Bringi. And if you can practice this like this, you will have lot of blissfulness, delight, peace, and relaxation equal to Shavasana. In a way, we can say that we are touching the Anandamaya Kosha, which will make the Chitta happy, sir.
Excellent, ma'am. Excellent. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Sakshi ji. And next, Murcha Kumbhaka. Yes, explain the method and the benefit.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. You have network problem, you can off your camera. Yes, continue.
Yeah. Okay. So in Murcha Kumbhaka, after inhalation, gradually do Jalandhar Ban, and then without leaving that Jalandhar Ban, exhale slowly. It will lead you to feel unconscious. This is Murcha Kumbhaka.
And benefit? Benefit?
Sir, I missed that thing because of network.
Okay. Vrishali ji, please complete the benefit.
Yes, after after practicing Murcha, benefits are Mano Murcha, that is mind becomes inactive, there won't be any thoughts, and it is Sukha Prada, that is it after this practicing this, you will get pleasure, happiness.
Excellent, ma'am. Excellent. Yes, next question to Simi ji. Yes, Simi ji, please answer the method and the benefit of the Plavani Kumbhaka. Yes, on your camera and answer.
Okay. So, inner part of the abdominal being completely filled with air. First, you have to inhale, fill your whole abdominal part completely with air. Then, even in the deep water, you will float because your whole abdominal part is full of air. So, your whole body is float like a lotus leaf, and you will feel like sukh like a lotus leaf. That's it.
Excellent, ma'am. Thank you. Nice. Okay, next, requesting to Lipalika, ma'am. Please conclude today class with Santi Mantra. Yes, Lipalika, ma'am.
Okay, sir.